Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Zoom password if you forget it. Pretty easy to do. So you guys just want to open up the Zoom app, and then you'll see this screen right here. You want to click on Sign In, and then you want to click on the Forgot Your Password option. And then once you're here, you want to type your email address that you signed up on Zoom with. So I'll just type in mine now. And then once you type in your email, you want to click on the send option. And then it's just going to send that email address a forwarded link to reset your password. So you want to head back over to your email. And then you'll see here that you get an email from Zoom just saying that you have a reset confirmation. And then it says that if you requested this password change, please click the link below to set a new password within 24 hours. So you want to click here to change your password. And then you want to click on password, and just to let you know as well, you need to have a capital letter and at least one number with 8 characters total. So I'll just create a random password here. And then once you're done, you want to click on the save option, and then you will see that your password was successfully changed. And that's how easy it is. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this. And if it was helpful, be sure to leave a like. And for more Zoom tutorials and tutorials overall, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.